Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to do step 1, which is checking the normality of your data. So this is the exam anxiety data, and we're going to look at revise, exam, and anxiety as our variables to see if they are normal. So we go here to analyze, we're going to go to descriptives, and we're going to go to explore. And our dependent list is our dependent variables, which is all 3 of these. Where you highlight them all at once, you hit the first one and then hit your shift and then select your last one and move those over. Our statistics, we're going to just leave those right there. We're going to do normality plots with tests, and we're going to click continue, and then we're going to click let me see what's in the options were good, and we click OK. Alright, so we've got our descriptive stats in here. And if I go to my QQ plot, alright, so my QQ plot for time spent revising is somewhat S-shaped, so it's not necessarily normal. This one is more normal for exam performance. And then if you look at exam anxiety is also somewhat S-shaped. So it gives us an idea if our data are normally distributed, and so that's the quick and easy way to look at normality of our data.